Fallen trees and exposed roots have a special place in my heart. In this build, I try to capture one of these fascinating scenes. Welcome to the Microverse. I found this container while thrifting, and with long containers it's better to add a deeper false bottom. In this case, LECA, or lightweight expanded clay aggregate. After adding the screen barrier, I add some springtail charcoal. After that goes our substrate, a custom ABG mix from my local exotic pet store, Critter Jungle. Go check them out if you're ever in the Ottawa area. After an initial layer of substrate, I add the hardscape, or spiderwood, and wiggle it around. This didn't take a lot of wiggling, as I already knew which side and what angle I liked. So I then add more substrate behind the spiderwood to kind of lock it in place. And finally, giving it a good mystic helps keep everything together. Here are some of the flora life forms I used for this build. We have the Boston fern. I have been a big fan of using Boston ferns as humidity barriers in long open terrariums. It looks good, the fern gets to breathe while creating a microclimate of sorts. When grown, they maintain the humidity from below while keeping some aeration, which is perfect. And they also add a visual break from the edge of the terrarium or the container that you plant them in. I also add this pink variety of Fittonia, or polka dot plant, or nerve plant. I get all these names confused, so I'm just gonna go with Petunia. And it wouldn't be a Microverse build without moss. Here are some of the mosses that I used: string moss, thread moss, badge moss, and pincushion moss. This terrarium was sold in the Ottawa Pet Expo last June of 2024. If the keeper of this terrarium is watching, let me know how the terrarium is doing, or if you have any questions. I hope you've been enjoying this little slice of the Microverse. May the moss be with you.